You can run, but you can't hide.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today I was trying to answer a simple question. Can a single AI tool replace an entire content creation system? I'm talking about everything, script writing, voiceovers, images, and video, all in one place, without constantly switching between different tools. Normally you'd need 4 to 5 different platforms to make this happen. But today, I'm going to show you a platform that does it all in one place. Today we're using ThankYou AI, an all-in-one AI creative platform where you can create audio, images, and video inside a single ecosystem. And the most powerful part? It's AI agent plus canvas automation system, which can literally do the work for you. In simple terms, this isn't just a tool, it's a complete AI content creation system. So let's get started. First, open the website. Click on Sign Up. You can log in directly with Google. And the best part? You can start completely free. I'll log in with a free account, and here's the dashboard. Right here, you can see sections for AI agent, audio, video, and image. If you scroll down, you'll find 30+ powerful tools that make content creation faster and easier. On the left side, you have audio toolkit, image tools, video generation, canvas workflow, templates. From here, you can manage your entire content system. Now let's talk about the most important feature, the AI agent. Click on Agent, enter a simple prompt, and hit Generate. Now let's check the output.
You can run, but you can't hide.
As you can see, the voice is automatically generated, visuals are ready, and even a basic video is created. And I didn't use any complex prompt. The AI automatically selected the tools and executed the entire workflow. The best part? Everything is generated instantly. No long queues, no waiting time. Even if you don't know how to write prompts, simple English works perfectly. This makes it ideal for beginners. There's basically zero learning curve. Now let's move to the audio toolkit, which is actually the core strength of this platform. Open the audio section, select text-to-speech, paste your script, and click Generate. You can also describe the voice using a prompt. Let's check the output.
World ruled by chaos, only the strongest survive.
As you can hear, the voice is very natural and clean. You can also use features like voice cloning, multi-speaker audio, sound effects. In fact, audio is this platform's biggest strength. You can design your own voice and reuse it as an asset, perfect for both freelancing and content creation. Next, let's talk about image generation. First, we generate a simple image using a basic prompt. Then we select the aspect ratio. Let's choose 16:9. Next, select the resolution. I'll go with 2K. You can also choose quantity and model. I'll select Nano Banana Pro. Click Generate and download the image. Now let's enhance this image. Upload the image, add a prompt, and use tools like Smart Cutout, Relight for better lighting, Outpainting to expand the image, Poster Generator for final design. Click Generate and check the result. Compare the before and after. You'll see a huge difference. A simple image is transformed into professional cinematic content, all within the same platform. No switching tools. That's the real power of an all-in-one system. Now let's move to video generation, where the platform really shines. Select Image to Video and upload the cinematic image we created. Add a prompt, choose a motion style, and click Generate. Let's check the output. This isn't basic animation. It has real cinematic movement, like a movie shot. Lighting, motion, and depth are automatically applied. Now let's try another powerful feature, start and end frame. Here, we use 2 images, one for the start frame and one for the end frame. Add a transition prompt, select a model, choose ratio, resolution, and duration, then generate. Now check the result. You get a smooth, cinematic transition that feels like a mini movie scene. And all of this is done without any editing software. No Premiere Pro, no After Effects. Everything happens inside one platform. Now let's talk about another powerful feature, Canvas Workflow. In simple terms, Canvas is a workflow builder where you connect tools like script, audio, image, and video into one automated system. Normally, you would do all these steps manually, but here, everything becomes a seamless flow. Now let's talk about earning potential. You can use this platform for freelancing, voiceover services, video editing, faceless YouTube channels, AI-based services. On platforms like Fiverr, simple voiceovers can earn anywhere from $10 to $60 or more. Here, you can produce similar work in minutes. So this isn't just a tool. It can become a complete income system. There's also a powerful feature called the template market. You can publish your workflow, let others use it, and grow your reach. In the future, this can also become a monetization opportunity. In one line, all in one platform. No switching tools, AI automation, workflow system, and free to start. Convenience plus speed equals real power. To be honest, not every feature is best in class, but for 90% of creators, it's more than enough. The biggest advantages are simplicity, automation, and time saving. If you want to start AI content creation or automate your workflow, you should definitely try it. The link is in the description. You can sign up for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful AI tool. Till then, keep creating and stay creative.